showing you how to make a simple and cute bottle craft. This is the cute little bottle craft. Shall we start? Are you ready? So the materials needed are a bottle, woolen yarn, decorative items. So let's start the craft with the fluorescent woolen yarn. Let's apply Flex Quick and stick the wool. So as you see, I have finished the fluorescent color, and next let's start with blue. So as you see, here is the end point. Let's carefully keep the blue starting on the fluorescence end point and carefully apply some Flex Quick. Now let's apply some Fevicol to stick the blue from here to here. Okay, so let's gently wrap the second round. Okay, as you see, we are finishing it out. The blue is around almost finished, so let's wrap it more and more until it finishes. Okay, as you see, only a few more rounds to finish the blues area off. Okay, as you see, we have finished the first layer and the second layer. So, and carefully apply. Right, let's cut. And at last, in the fourth layer, here we are choosing the color red. Let's keep the red colored wool here. so as you can see, we finished the 3 layers, the first layer, second layer and third layer, and at last the fourth layer. So after finishing the fourth layer, then we can see the real view of the bottle craft. So as you see, we have finished the last part. So let's cut the remaining wool. And now it's finished. Remember how our old bottle was and how is the new one? Doesn't it look cool? Okay, so as you see, our bottle is done. I have done some decorations. As you see here, these are some bead strips. Let's use the strips to decorate it more. Let's stick the beads on its neck. So let's take it. So as you see, we have some legs. Here I have some googly eyes and a red strip of bead. Stick our googly eyes. Our bottle art is ready. How's it? Anyway, way wonderful than the first. First, it was just a bottle, and now let's see. It's a beautiful art.